Alright, this is a summary of the trades I took on EURCAD last week. I took a lot of trades on EURCAD. I think I lost three. In summary, they were like 30 pips. I think I lost 30 pips. But on summary, as you can see right now, and as I will post the proof, I think, yeah, no, I know I made 117 pips minus 30, that is 87 pips on EURCAD. And I lost I think some pips on Euro USD. So in summary, I think I had a good 70 pip week last week. So I just want to walk you through the rationale of the trade and how I was able to uh, the logic or my thoughts behind the trade. So first thing, I saw the swing where we were already bearish on EURCAD. I saw the swing and I was supposed to take the 88.6, but it didn't. I think I deleted it. So I went down on the 3 minute time frame, on the 3 minutes time frame. And I have to confess that I'm not proud of this particular trade because it's a trade I advise people not to do. It was market execution. But I did it. And that's because I was familiar with EURCAD. So yeah, it was around here. My stop loss was above this zone right here. My stop loss was above this zone. I knew that the moment, from my experience, once you have this, once you have a move, you have this, and once you have a move and you have something, a move down that breaks structure, then this zone becomes, should I say, a zone of defense. It's right here. So most of the times, what I was expecting was that it would go down, go up to a zone like this, and then come down. But it did not happen. Nothing happened of such. So, and I was aware, I think I was aware of the way the market was hot that time. So I took a trade from that zone, 46.223, and I had a 47 pips, exactly 47 pips profit from that. So my stop loss was above here, even though it was an irresponsible stop loss. It was above this zone like this. I think it was 14 pips. So that was that. My second trade was technical. It was not out of instinct or intuition, but I believe that instinct and intuition have a place in trading as long as you know the pair. I know EURCAD. I can trade EURCAD in my sleep. It's my best pair. So that's why I can take some risk. So I can delete this now. All right. So why did I take this trade? For you to understand, let me show you on my analytical pair. Is this? Yeah, this is my analytical pair. Let's wait for it to load and I will show you why I took the trade. I took it because it broke structure. It was a swing that broke structure. This right here. So you have this low. I hate trading view. Yeah, this low right here, and high in a new low that broke the former low, a high, not a higher high, And then you have your lower low around here. This was the first low that broke structure. All right. So what I do is I take an 88.6 fib level of the last minor swing, which is this. Now on FXCM and some pairs, the 88.6 is not up to this, and I don't know why, but on my XNES, I think I trade XNES. Yeah, I trade XNES. I think. So let me go back to this. So right here, I'm surprised. I'm surprised what happened because this is I took my trade in 1.45657, but according to this chart, it didn't get there. But it got there on my own charts. This is why I don't trade candlesticks. I don't believe in candlestick analysis because different brokers have a tiny bit of quote representation. So on my external chart, this there's a candle that gets to 1.45658, and on this forest.com chart, it didn't get there. But that was what I did. I took a fib level. I took a fib level of this position right here, and I went to the 88.6 fib level, and I deducted two pips from it to account for the spreads, and then I was in profit. Oh no, sorry, not this, not that zone. This is the zone I took. This zone right here. This zone right here. So yes, I was right. I was sorry. I was wrong by saying that the broker didn't report it. So yeah, it was this zone right here. This zone. So I took this trade. I took the trade around here. And there's a reason why I didn't wait for the 88.6 fib level. Let me show you on the 5 minutes time frame. Is it here? Let me show you on the 5 minutes time frame why I did not wait for the 88.6. The 88.6 fib level is my favorite, but in this case I did not wait for that, and this is the reason. This is the reason. That is the reason. So this is my I didn't want to wait for the 88.6 because I was aware that I was monitoring 5 pairs together to see how the market was reacting. So I took this, how I was able to come up with this space was this swing, this sudden swing broke through something. And what it broke through was this zone. So if it gets above that, then my stop loss will be. So what I do is I take the fib level that is nearest to that zone, which is 0.5, as you can see here, 0.5. And I think I deducted 2 from it, that is 60. On my chart, it will be a difference, like a different decimal. And I was able to get 1.45657. And then it got to that zone a little bit, and then my stop loss was around here, 0.45775. This was the painful trade last week. So it was from here around this zone, and then I was in profit of 52 pips. However, when I woke up the next morning, it was already down, up, and I waited it up for. In fact, it was so close to my. It was so close. It was 4 pips close to my entry. Then it went down. but I was not satisfied with the way it was doing, so I closed it at 17.5, 17.5, 17.5 pips, 17.9 pips, but 9 pips. So, uh, in retrospect, I realized that we were already bullish. Let me delete this one. We were already bullish, and I was not aware of it by the time, at that time, and this is where we turned bullish on EURCAD, on the 15 minutes time frame EURCAD, around this zone right here. You could see, this. You see this high, low, high, and then a new low, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and then you had a new high. And this was a point where we changed to bullish, though unconfirmed, but bullish. And then we took a new low here and we took a higher high, which confirmed that we are bullish. And when I saw this, immediately I went to the small time frame, and this right here became my anchor, became my anchor swing. All how I trade is I look for a swing and I just use that swing as my anchor. So this entire swing, I from this place to this place, I applied the 88.6 time frame, and it was around here. As you can see, I was not even patient for the 88.6 time frame. Well, as you can see, it turned back exactly on the 88.6. In fact, if you had put your entry on the 88.6, it's possible it will get triggered. And that's because of the spread, because EURCAD has a 2 pip spread. So it was around here I put my my entry, and one of the reasons that happened or that informed mine is because the demand zone is around here in a way, even though it's not a proper delineated demand zone, and people would kind of disagree with me, but I still take it. I knew we're bullish, so my stop loss was around from here. My stop loss was below here, and I was working on a project, on a writing project, so I couldn't have time to be so meticulous about my stop loss. And even if I lost this trade, it wouldn't have mattered a lot, but I didn't lose it. I went back. I was discussing with a fellow trader, and then it shot up to 52.2 pips, that was where I took my profits. And thank God I took my profit, because the markets came down immediately. So, what is the plan for this week? On the 15 minutes time frame on EURCAD, I am my swing, my swing that I'm anchoring my analysis on starts from here, starts from this point to this point. All right. So first of all, what I do is I mark the 88.6 fib level. I mark it, and once I do that, I look for this candle right here, this big huge candle. I look at the candle before it, and then I mark it too. On the 5 minutes time frame, it's going to be a little bit shorter. Let me check it. Yep. So let me make it short around here. Oh no, let me go back. I will make two rectangles. Nothing spoiled, as we say in Nigeria. So these are the zones that are going to that I'm waiting for. So what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for the market, for the price to enter any of the zone, and for a tiny change of character to happen on either the 5 minutes or the one time frame. So right now it's coming through here, through here, through here. So once it enters any of this zone, I'll be expecting a change of character, which is a new high that we take out uh, the last high, the last lower high. And once that happens, I will enter in another retracement, and then hopefully we continue our trade, our rally, I mean. And if that does not happen, yeah, if that does not happen, I will be waiting for a breakthrough through the zones. Once it happens, then I'm going to enter in either of these rectangles, either of these zones, this zone or this zone. And then, I'm sorry, this is not the, yeah, either of this zone. And then once that happens, I will continue our rally. Now, I don't have a particular sentiment on EURCAD. Since we are bearish on the 1 day time frame, so I'm going to be meticulous about this, but I'm suspecting that we are coming down here. We are already um, we're already bullish. We're already bearish on the 1 day. 1 day. So something may happen around here. This small rally, we can move around to this place within a 15 minutes time frame. So there are more uh, bearish resistances on the lower time frame now, and then we come down here, and this may also apply to USD card in a way. So either ways, I'm going to be ready, and I'm going to be giving you updates on my Telegram group. I don't often give signals, and that's because my signals are always quick reactions to the market. So before I teleport myself to my Telegram group and communicate the signals, I'm back. I'm an aggressive kind of trader, but I give hints and I give sentiments forecast on my Telegram group, which you can use as a good trader to know or to be able to inform your own trading decisions. So I wish you a nice trading week. May the Forex be with you.